Hey there, I'm Roxy G, your digital bestie, and welcome back to Mindful Side Hustles. If you've ever come home from work so drained that you just stare at your phone and scroll, this one is for you. Today, we're talking about a simple question with a big impact. What is a mindful side hustle? A mindful side hustle is not about grinding until 2 a.m. or adding more pressure to a life that's already heavy. It's about creating something small, gentle, and a project that helps you breathe deeper, feel calmer, and maybe bring in a little extra income on the side. Think of it as a soft corner of your life that belongs only to you. If you're stressed, anxious, or low-key over your job, here are a few mindful digital products you can start for stress relief. A simple coloring book with calming shapes, a guided journal with prompts about gratitude, a short, soft-spoken audio you record for yourself first and later share with others. Here's an activity I want you to do today. Ask yourself this one question. If I could create one small, fun thing that feels like me and makes me feel calm, what would it be? If something pops into your mind, write it down. That might be the seed of your mindful side hustle. And if your mind goes blank and you have no idea where to start, you don't have to figure it out alone. Come hang out with us inside Quiet Quitters Plan B on School, where we help beginners discover and build their mindful side hustle with support and AI tools. I'm going to leave you with a song from the Quiet Quitters Plan B Sound Lounge to help you exhale, reset, and remember that you are allowed to build a softer life. This is Mindful Side Hustles with Roxy G. Take a deep breath, turn the volume up, and let this next track wash some of that stress away. Bye for now.
Late nights, big dreams, I got plans in my hands, turning small steps into something grand. Vision in my heart, fire in my eyes, I'm stacking up faith, I'm watching it rise. Brick by brick, I'm building me, no limits, no doubt, just legacy. Every move I make, every seed I sow, my empire grows slow, but it's gold. Oh, empire is gold, go slow, but it's gold. For a sign, I am the sign. I'm the blueprint, the power, the design. Every setback just fuels the flame. I'm claiming my crown, I'm changing the game. Brick by brick, I'm building me. No limits, no doubt, just legacy. Every move I make, every seed I sow, my empire grows slow, but it's gold. But it's gold. Go slow, but it's gold. Season, this is my climb. I'm taking what's mine, one brick at a time. Strong roots, clear sky, future in view. This empire's mine, and I'm the breakthrough.